This Kaiweets HT113B multimeter accurately measures AC-DC voltage up to 600 volts, AC-DC current up to 10 A, resistance up to 40 M. You can use it for continuity tests, diode tests, battery tests. Includes 1.5 volts and 9 volts battery test modes to easily test a wide variety of batteries. 4000 counts auto-ranging multimeter for precise measurement. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Double fuse. Double fuse overload protection, but please do not exceed 600 volts when measuring. Number 2. Low battery indication. An indication will be given when the battery is low to replace the battery. Number 3. Auto power off after 15 minutes of inactivity to save power. Number 4. Max function. Press the max button to get the max data. Number 5. Multifunction NCV, non-contact voltage detection, 4000 counts auto ranging, TRMS, low battery prompt. Data hold button holds a reading, auto power off after 15 minutes of inactivity. Number 6. Safety first, safety level, Cat 3, 600 volts. A silicone protective case, it can effectively prevent the machine from falling damaged. 10A fuse for overload protection. There is an anti-high voltage circuit design inside to ensure safety when using. Number 7. Easy to operate, large backlight screen. LED flashlight on the back, so you can use it freely even in dimly lit places. The multimeter has a pen slot and a kickstand on the back. A pair of test leads in the package. The gear dial rotates smoothly and can be switched freely for different usage scenarios. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.